Hello everyone. If you're running your YouTube channel and you are also trying to use YouTube to build any video or create any video or trying to do something, so you must be getting a mail or you will get the mail like this. You can choose your YouTube handle. This is the kind of a thing that we will get the particular unique name, so we can suppose at the rate Srimant kindly do this work. So this is the kind of at the rate Srimant is the particular unique name that YouTube is going to provide everyone who is running their YouTube channels. So this is the thing that YouTube wants to upgrade themselves. So I also got the mail, and if you are not get the mail like this, then you can just come to the next tab and type YouTube/handle. Once you type this, you will get the same thing. Just like my channel is showing here, and choose the handle name. So I have not chosen it, so I'm just also going to choose this. So yes, some basic text. So this is the default one the YouTube is providing me, and I don't want to change it anything else because it's a perfect for me. So I'm going to just confirm the selection, and that's it. Click OK, and it's done for me. So at the rate some basic tag is just updated for me, and you can see here, hi, your handle is reserved. Your handle is at the rate some basic tag. So I don't need to do anything else. Your additional channel URL is so the URL, the different URL we get like this, youtube.com/@ some basic text. So if someone wants to find me on YouTube, so only just type or something, and you can just click here and search like this. So my channel will be show you in the front of the page. So this is the way you can just find out any channel. Suppose any whatever channel you are just subscribed or have been using, so you will be able to just get it. And let me just tell about more things about this thing. So what is the YouTube handle? YouTube handle I already has talked about. It is a unlike a channel name. Handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish a distinct presence on YouTube. So it is a kind of a very unique ID that YouTube is providing everyone. This is a sort ID. So definitely we have our own channel name, but someone yes using their Srimant Kumar, the complete name and something like that. But this is so at the rate Srimant Kumar. If I just going to search, so I won't be maybe find or something like that. So this is the way. So we can just find out and handles and channel URL. So we will also get the kind of URL as well here. So you can see the suggestions of these things, and think you can do with the handles. Get noticed in a sorts, identify yourself in a unique way. So get noticed in a sorts means with the simple and short name we can just find out to everyone, and we got the unique ID as well. People can tag in videos, so anyone can just tag me or I can tag anyone with the help of handle name, and let others find on YouTube. Everyone able to find out with the handle name. Connect with others in the YouTube community. So if you are running any community, so you will able to find out very easily. So these are the things that we will able to do it through uh, YouTube handles. So if you have not done it, just go to your YouTube and or your email ID and just choose it, and you will able to do it. If you are not, and if you are not able to do it, or you are having any problem, any errors and any issue, just do comment on this video. I will support you and I will provide you the best and unique answer, and I will resolve your issues. So this is the way where we will handle appear. So these are the questions. If you are having any issues, so you can also try to figure out and resolve. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.